In this video, we will show you how to assemble and operate your GREENWORKS single-port backpack blower. We have featured one of our 80-volt models. However, this guide can be followed for all our GREENWORKS single-port backpack blowers. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Step 1. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the manual along with the packing material and any loose, unassembled parts. Carefully lift the blower components out of the box and set them down. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have used the product. Installing the connecting tube. Slide the hose clamp onto the flexible tube. Insert the end connecting tube into the flexible tube. Tighten the screw on the hose clamp. Securing the trigger handle. Slide the trigger handle on the connecting tube. Ensure the handle is aligned properly and in a comfortable position. Insert the bolt and use the supplied knob to tighten the handle. Secure the cord in the cord retainers. Assembling the blower tubes. Align the grooves on the front blower tube with the tabs on the rear blower tube. The tube can be seated at one of two length positions. Rotate the tube until both of the tabs slide into the locked position. Securing the blower tube assembly. Align the grooves on the blower tube assembly with the tabs on the connecting tube. Turn the rear blower tube in the direction of the slot until the tabs lock into position. If you need to remove the tube assembly, rotate the opposite way and pull apart. The trigger is located underneath the handle. The position of the trigger handle can be adjusted. Loosen the knob to reposition the handle. Tighten the knob to secure the trigger in place. The cruise control lever can be found on the left side of the handle. The turbo button is located on top of the trigger handle. Align the battery pack with the cavity in the housing. Push the battery until it locks into place. You will hear an audible click once secure. To remove the battery pack, push and hold the release button and pull the battery out. Fit the backpack on your back. Pull the ends of the shoulder straps down to tighten the harness. Connect the horizontal chest strap. Pull the end of the chest strap to tighten. Connect and tighten the strap around your waist. To loosen any of the straps, lift the tab on the strap and pull upward. To remove the harness, squeeze the side tabs to open the quick release fasteners. To start the blower, pull the trigger. The speed is adjusted by the pressure applied to the trigger. For maximum power, engage the turbo button. To stop the unit, release the trigger. The cruise control lever can be used to maintain a certain speed without holding onto the trigger. Turn the cruise control lever clockwise to increase the speed. Turn the cruise control lever counterclockwise to decrease the speed. To keep from scattering debris, blow around the outer edges of a debris pile. Never blow directly into the center of a pile. Use rakes and brooms to loosen debris before blowing. In dusty conditions, dampen surfaces before operating. After use, disconnect the power source. To clean the machine, wipe it down with a cloth. Do not use aggressive detergents or solvents to clean the unit. Ensure that air vents are clear of debris. Examine the machine for damage, missing, or loose parts such as screws, nuts, bolts, and knobs. Be sure to replace and/or tighten all necessary parts prior to your next use. When not in use, the blower should be stored indoors in a dry, locked location, out of the reach of children. For additional videos on how to maintain and operate your blower, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS blower will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.